Okay, hello everybody, what's going on? This is Mohammed. Welcome to another video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to solve for this indefinite integral. Okay, so we have the integral of the square root of x plus the square root of x squared plus 1 dx. So how to solve for this integral? Okay, so I'm gonna be using here a simple u substitution. So I will get rid of the whole thing inside the outer square root, which is x plus the square root of x squared plus 1. I will let all that equals u. So that's what we're gonna do here. So let u equals x plus the square root of x squared plus 1. Now, one smart move that we can do here, we can move x to the other side and square both sides. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do here. Okay, that's gonna give me x squared plus 1, and then I can do the squaring on the left hand side. So u squared minus twice u x plus x squared, and that's gonna give me x squared plus 1 on the other side. Okay, and we can notice here that we have x squared here, that's gonna cancel with x squared here. Okay, and then we can go ahead and solve for x. Okay, so x is gonna be equal to, we can move to 2ux to the other side, so that would give us u squared minus 1 divided by twice u, and from that actually we can differentiate both sides and get dx in terms of du. So to do that, this is going to be what? 2u multiplied by the derivative of the denominator, which is 2u, so that's going to give us 4u squared minus the numerator, which is u squared minus 1 multiplied by the derivative of the denominator, which is 2, so that's going to give us minus 2u squared plus 2, of course, divided by, of course, the square of the denominator, which is 4u squared. And don't forget, guys, the du here, okay? So don't forget the du, and that's gonna give us, and I'll make this shorter, okay? So of course we have du here as well. 4u squared minus 2u squared, that's gonna give us 2u squared plus 2, so we can take 2 as a common factor. That would cancel with a 2 in the denominator, so that would leave us with 2u squared in the denominator and u squared plus 1 in the numerator. Okay, so we're done with this. Okay, now we can go back to the integral. Our integral is going to become the integral of course, the square root of u multiplied by dx, where dx is basically, dx is u squared plus 1 divided by twice u squared du. Now we can get the half outside the integral. Okay, so that's going to give us half here, and then u to the power half, we can simplify it, okay, with the denominator u squared, so that would give us the numerator is going to stay as. Okay, so u squared plus 1, and the denominator is going to become u to the power 2 minus half, so it's u to the power 3 by 2 du, and this can be rewritten as half the integral of u squared divided by u to the power 3 by 2, so it's u to the power 2 minus 1 half, which is half, so that's the square root of u, of course, and the other term is u to the power minus 3 by 2, and we're done actually. Okay, now this is straightforward to integrate du, of course. So half here, okay, and I will open a bracket. Okay, what is the integration of the square root of u, which is u to the power half, which is u to the power half plus 1, which is 3 by which is u of 3 by 2 divided by, of course, 3 by 2 plus u to the power minus 3 by 2 plus 1, so that's going to give us u to the power minus half over minus half. So basically that's going to give us, let me write it, okay, I'm sorry. Okay, so that would give us, again, u to the power minus half divided by minus half as well here. I will close the bracket and I will add the constant c. And this can be simplified. The 2 can get to the numerator and it would cancel with the half outside. Okay, and we're going to be left out with 1/3 in the first term, u to the power 3 by 2. And of course, the half is going to get cancelled with the half in the second term, and we're going to be left out with half minus 1. And we can get of course, the square root of u to the denominator. Okay, I will rewrite this, sorry. Of course, plus c. And then we can go ahead and go back and see what u is and replace it with u. So u is x plus the square root of x squared plus 1. So we can write that down here. Okay, so this is going to give us 1/3 the square root of, I'm sorry, x, let me write that between 2 parentheses. Okay, so x plus the square root of x squared plus 1, that's our u. Okay, that is going to be raised to the power 3 by 2 and half minus 1, of course, plus c here, 1 divided by the square root of x plus the square root of x squared plus 1, and basically that is our final answer. Okay, so I will put a box here. That's what I do always, and I will highlight this final result. Okay, so that's basically the final answer. Well, this can be also simplified. I mean, the final answer can be simplified, but it's okay to leave it like this. Well, if you guys like this video, hit like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell so you don't miss anything in the future. Thank you for watching and see you in another video.